Today's video is on the top 3 best garden carts with seats and wheels. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Kinfant Rolling Garden Cart Workseat. Looking for a way to make gardening or farm work easier and more comfortable? The Home Essential Garden Cart might be just what you need. Whether you're tending to your backyard garden or managing a larger farm, this cart is designed to take the strain off your back, allowing you to work more efficiently and with less effort. Say goodbye to those long, tiring hours of bending, lifting, and running back and forth. This cart makes everything a lot more manageable. One of the best features of the Home Essential Garden Cart is its durability. Crafted with a heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame, this cart is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor work. You won't have to worry about it breaking down after a few uses. It's made to last, even in harsh conditions. This rugged construction ensures that it's a reliable companion in all your gardening tasks, making it a fantastic addition to your backyard or farm setup. What truly sets this garden cart apart is its thoughtful design. Equipped with a swivel seat, it allows you to change the direction you're sitting in without needing to move the entire cart. This feature lets you take in the beautiful surroundings while working, so you can enjoy the process rather than seeing it as a chore. Plus, the seat swivels smoothly, making it a comfortable option for long periods of sitting and working. You can now work without having to constantly shift or reposition yourself. To further enhance your comfort, the rolling garden seat comes with an adjustable handle. You can customize the height of the handle based on your personal preferences, ensuring that you won't have to strain your back or shoulders while moving the cart. This simple but effective feature makes a world of difference in terms of comfort and efficiency. No more awkward bending or reaching, just smooth, easy handling that improves your workflow. Worried about setup? Don't be. The Home Essential Garden Cart comes with clear installation instructions, making assembly quick and straightforward. Even if you're not a DIY expert, you'll have it up and running quickly. With its durable structure, adjustable handle, and unique swivel seat, it's designed to improve your gardening experience. Ready to make your gardening tasks easier? The Home Essential Garden Cart is just what you need. Hit subscribe like you're plopping down on your garden cart seat after pulling weeds for hours. Number 2. Best overall. Vevor Garden Cart Rolling Workseat with Wheels. Ever wish gardening could be a little easier on your back and a lot more comfortable? Well, you're about to discover a garden tool that might just change the way you work outdoors. Let's talk about a rolling garden cart that's not only practical, but built to make your time in the garden feel less of a chore and more of a treat. Curious how? Let's dive right in. First up, it's all about performance, and this garden cart delivers. Thanks to its 360-degree swivel function, you can easily twist, turn, and change angles without ever having to stand up. That means you can reach those stubborn weeds or far-off flower pots without straining your back or twisting in uncomfortable positions. Plus, the seat itself is both widened and thickened, giving you a stable, roomy spot to perch while you work. Whether you're tall, short, or somewhere in between, it's designed to suit all kinds of people. And here's the best part. Even if you're out there for hours tending to your plants, this seat helps ease lower back and lumbar pressure, keeping you feeling good the whole time. Now, let's talk about how it moves. The extendable steering handle makes it a breeze to maneuver. It's flexible, smooth, and adjustable to fit your comfort. Combined with front wheels designed for easy control, you'll have no problem steering this garden scooter across any patch of ground, whether you're rolling through soft soil, gravel, or uneven grass. How many times have you struggled to drag a regular garden seat across bumpy terrain? Well, this clever design takes care of that. And speaking of smooth rides, the cart comes equipped with 10-inch inflatable tires. Not only are they big enough to handle different types of terrain, but the added tread gives them a solid grip, so you won't get stuck or tip over. The wider contact area also means it glides across the ground effortlessly, no matter where your gardening takes you. Another standout feature is the large storage capacity. A sturdy metal basket sits conveniently within reach, letting you stash all your gardening tools and supplies nearby. No more walking back and forth to the shed. Plus, it comes with a protective seat cover, so you can keep your seat clean and dry when you're not using it. Lastly, this garden cart isn't just clever, it's tough. Made from reinforced 25mm cross-sectional steel, it's built to last. It resists bending and warping and works great indoors or outdoors. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days. Free, link below. Number 1, our pick. Flinter rolling garden workseat with wheels. Tired of bending over and struggling while working in your garden? Well, get ready for a serious game changer. The upgraded version of this garden cart seat is here to make your outdoor chores easier, comfier, and a whole lot more fun. What makes it so special? Let's dive right in and see what you've been missing. First off, this latest version comes with an extended handle length, which means no more bending over just to roll it around. Say goodbye to backaches from constant stooping. And if you're someone who dreads putting things together, you'll love how the simplified installation method makes assembly quicker and easier than ever before. No need to fumble through complicated instructions. It's built with convenience in mind. Now, here's where things get clever. This isn't just a garden cart seat. It's a genius 4-in-1 design made for truly versatile use. It features a spacious inner storage basket with a multi-purpose lid. That lid, it doubles as a comfortable garden work seat with a super wide EVA cushion pad measuring 10.2 inches across, the widest and largest on the market. It's designed to ease pressure on your back and knees, making those long gardening sessions a lot less painful. And when you're ready to move, just flip that sitting pad over and it transforms into a sturdy handle to pull your cart along. Getting around is a breeze thanks to its sturdy rubber tires, each measuring 4.7 inches in diameter. Whether you're rolling over gravel, dirt, or grass, this cart moves smoothly through all kinds of terrain. It's so easy to maneuver. It's perfect for both kids and seniors alike. But wait, there's more. This cart isn't just about comfort and mobility. It also boasts an extra large storage capacity. The durable metal storage basket offers plenty of space to hold all your gardening tools, soil, gloves, and more. You can keep everything you need within arm's reach. And it doesn't stop at gardening. You can use this handy cart in the garage, at the ranch, on the farm, or even in a workshop. Built tough, it's made with a reinforced steel construction. Unlike flimsy plastic models, this all-metal cart can hold up to 400 pounds without breaking a sweat. It's sturdy, long-lasting, and surprisingly easy to put together. Who's this for? Honestly, everyone. It's perfect for gardeners, grandparents, moms, dads, or anyone who loves spending time outdoors. It's especially helpful for people dealing with knee replacements, joint surgery, or arthritis. Plus, it's widely used in commercial gardening, agriculture, and specialty gardening industries. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.